I would like to tell us how was the experience today on stage at HAIRFEST 2024?
Was amazing. I was here 2 years ago, but this year the level is very up. So I'm glad to be here second time, and I am enjoy a lot the show.
Okay, glad to hear this. Tell us now about the people and the vibe.
Was very high.
Okay.
Also the audience. They do a lot of noise all the time. So yeah, it's a good show.
Okay. Now, what was your source of inspiration for your today's show?
So for today, I do it with Disco Dream, which was inspiration from 17, 18, with a round shape, but not just the round shape, with a different way, because we are in 2024. So we have a more technical, we have more skills to create more movement, more texture, but also we keep the disco vibe, which is roundless and sparkle and a lot of color into the hair.
Was amazing also with the instruments, and it was really interesting.
Also, this is what the idea behind also the video what I prepare for Disco Dream. So was the perfect moment to keep it the strong Disco Dream.
I agree. I saw the whole thing. It was amazing. So now, give us a message to all the members of Hairdressing News that couldn't be here today at HAIRFEST.
Take a lot of inspiration from here and put practice in every day in salon work, and think about the education is the key all the time. For myself, I try it all the time to be better and better and better, to develop my skills between cut and color, and this is our way to we are artists, so we try every day to inspire another artist.
What a sweet message! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So what a pleasure to be here, and I hope to coming back in near future.
It was a pleasure to have you here too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.